Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. I am Ninette from Davao City, Philippines. I am single. I am 37 years old. My attainment is only high school graduate. My hobbies is cleaning, cooking, and ironing. I have experience in Qatar for 6 months, and I have experience Kuwait for 2 years, finished contract. And I have also experience in Jordan for 7 years, finished contract also. So I serve only couple and children. So my duties is to take care of your children and cooking, cleaning, and ironing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save money because of my family. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as a good helper in your house because I am hardworking, honest, kindly, and obedient. And I promise to be a good housemaid in your house. And I promise to prioritize to finish my contract 2 years and more. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Hopefully you choose me. So I'm looking forward with you as soon as possible. Thank you, ma'am and sir.